Alright. So that's the greenhouse over there. The addition on the cabin. And my mobile chicken coop. Starting the mobile chicken coop. Let me get that built and way over there in the back. Get them grazing on some green grasses. But my geese are on the other property right now. I gotta go retrieve these guys. Come on, guys. Go get them, Nene. Where are you guys going? Come on. Let's go. Come on, guys. That's long neck in the front. That's the male. And the rest are females. These are my leg. Look at this big fat bastard. Look at her. She's a waddler. Alright, guys, come on. Go on. Alright. Of course, I got the chickens in the other greenhouse right now. Where you girls going? Huh? Nene, what are you doing? I'm gonna check the chickens to see if they's okay. Huh? They okay? Let's look. There's the ladies. Hi, guys. Rooster, you're going in the pot. So are you. Alright. On my log mill. I'll be cutting this one up today. Turn it into one of those. 6x6 beam. Sanford and Son. Yeah. Old toilet. You would not believe what it used to look like. I've really got it all cleaned up a lot. Got more to go though. And here's the start of my garden. Yep. Got this all tilled up yesterday. Looking really good. Yeah. There's my fertilizer spreader. As you can see, there's still some rocks in here. But we'll be getting those out here in short order. And this is the goose pond. It's drying up. The geese be liking that. But yeah, there's the garden there. Yeah. Doggish. Alright. Well, from the Moody Homestead, we'll be putting out a couple more videos. I'm going to show you the progress on my mobile chicken tractor here. And this for you, Vision. All for you. River's right over there. On the other side of the outbuildings over there. This guy across the street lives right on the river. I might walk down there here in a little while. Sorry about the wind. Yeah. Alright. Until later.